Hey guys, welcome to Jan Technology. Today is not special Friday, but I'm going to do it anyway because I didn't do it yesterday. Okay, anyway, today I'm going to use JS Photo to make an HTML and CSS code, and then I'm going to teach you how to make a heading. So first, go to jsphoto.net. You can create an account if you want to save it. So now I've created an account. You can change the layout. I like using tabs, columns, this one. So it's organized. It's quite organized. So the first thing you need to know about HTML is a thing called tags. So they come in pairs, and in the second one there's a slash right about here. Okay, so just type an HTML tag and then space it out like this, and then let's write a heading tag. In JS Photo, it will automatically make the second pair or maybe the second one. So it's it's really convenient, but not all softwares will do this. So next, make an H1 tag. So H1 is for the the biggest heading. So H2 is the second biggest, H3 is the third biggest, and then all the way until H6. Heading 6 is the smallest. Okay, so for this heading tag, you don't have to type it. It's optional, but it will organize your stuff. So yeah, type something, maybe hello, and then the HTML part is done. Now let's move on to CSS. You can also organize it better like this, and then space it out a bit. Go to CSS, type H1 space curly bracket, and then maybe space it out again. Okay, so there's just type color, then colon, and then you can type any color you want. So most colors are included. Maybe let's try red, and then don't forget to add the semicolon. Yes. Now next, maybe let's make it bigger, and you can use font. Font. So it's font, and then size, then colon again, and you can also add a space here to space things out again. It's easier to read. You can type maybe 100 px, which is pixels in short form. So it will be quite big a size. Click Ctrl S to save it, and then wow. Okay. So let's try to move it to the center. You can do it in HTML or CSS, but I like using the HTML way. So just type another tag. It's called center, and then just type another center right about here. But remember to add the slash. Okay, click save it again, and then it will be in center. Cool, right? Good. Okay, so basically that's that, and then you can find a list of colors in CSS and the full code, the code in the description. Okay, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. And in the future, I might make more HTML videos. maybe. Okay, so bye bye.